Hello everyone, Z here, and I am at Lake House renovation we're doing. It is not small scale development, but you can get a feel at least to see what renovation looks like if you haven't done one. And so right now behind me is the view of the lake. Real pretty view, and we're on a deck here, second floor. And turn around here so you can see the house. So it's a bit older. The windows are old, so we're going to pull the shutters off and we're going to replace the windows here with big picture windows. So instead of having 4 panels there, they're going to be big picture windows. This one right here we're going to get moved up. I'm going to take you inside. They've got the music going, so it'll be a little loud, but hopefully you can hear. And let's see, so this is the living room here. These windows will all be replaced. Again, we'll get, these will be able to be open so that I can get a cross piece, but the front ones here will just be big picture windows so you can see the lake from the inside. And turn around here, and now you can see the kitchen over there, and these are the stairs going downstairs. So those windows over here will be, there's a lot of windows all looking at the lake, but let's see, those ones right there, those are going to be, that's going to be replaced to a big picture window. This one right here is going to get lifted up so it's in line with the other windows. And then these ones over here are going to be able to be open sideways. They'll just be like 2 panels instead of 4. We're going to move the kitchen over here so it makes an L shape, and there'll be I guess that's where the sink will be right there, so there'll be a window over the sink. And then this bar here will be a little bit smaller. It'll be an island and be more in the middle. And upstairs we also have a little 3/4 bathroom in here. Right now it's just insert shower. We're going to change that to a tile shower because it's just gives us a little more space, plus it'll be nicer. We're going to change out these railings. They're low and below code. Out on the deck there, we'll paint that. I'm going to take you downstairs where the music's blaring. So let's see. And down here we've got 1 bathroom and 3 bedrooms. The bedrooms are all fairly small, but see they're working on the stuff in here. Shower in there. I'll come back over here. Here, this is one of the bedrooms, and they're pulling the sheetrock off. We're going to cut out the windows, and they're going to make them make these ones bigger. And then this one right here, we're going to make it almost full size, a lot bigger picture window so that you have a really nice view of the lake. So today is the first day of construction, so you guys get to see that, and I'm excited to see where we go from here. Until next time.